Use the clickable sections to skip to each part. Select the Start button and then choose Settings, Devices, and then Bluetooth and other devices. Select the Bluetooth switch to turn it on or off. The switch will only appear on your system when Windows detects a Bluetooth adapter. Once the Bluetooth is turned on, you can see Bluetooth in the Action Center on the taskbar here. If you don't see Bluetooth in your Action Center, you can change it by selecting Action Center on the taskbar. Bluetooth should appear here by either Bluetooth or not connected. To add Bluetooth to the taskbar, select Start, Settings, System, Notifications and Actions. Then add or remove Quick Actions. Then turn on Bluetooth. To pair a device, turn on your Bluetooth audio device and make it discoverable. On your PC, select Start, Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices. Add Bluetooth or other device. And then Bluetooth. Choose the device and follow instructions as they appear. Then select Done. Your Bluetooth device will usually automatically connect anytime the two devices are in range of each other with Bluetooth turned on. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.